What's up, y'all? This is 10X Generation. This is my road to $1 billion. I'm building a decentralized cloud gaming platform. Um, and yeah, so I got to redo the whole thing. I'm learning this thing called Next.js, which is for it's a wrapper around React.js, which is kind of like a framework to make user or robust user interfaces with JavaScript, and it's typically used in making web apps. And I've been learning that it's not. I think I have a good solid programming like foundation. So when I learn new languages, it's like it makes sense. So that's going along smoothly. Um, yeah, it's really interesting though. Like I'm not super proficient in HTML. Um, and but like when I'm writing the HTML in Next.js, what happens is like you like you can. It's really weird how they do it. Like you basically bundle HTML elements into functions, and then you can use those in other HTML. It's really weird. But I'm learning that, learning about client side rendering and host side rendering. So yeah, that's interesting, but that's gonna come along. It's still gonna take me it's probably gonna take me about a month though to get it up and running, which is really sad and disappointing, but it is what it is. I can't do anything about that. But in the meantime, I guess I can still push the Discord because it still works. It's just like no one wants to use it, so I'm not gonna throw any more money at it, but I'm still gonna like talk about it and stuff. So yeah, but something interesting came in today. The Apple Vision Pro. And I honestly probably use this for a total of 30 minutes today. The Apple Vision Pro, it's really cool. You put it on, and you know, I haven't had a whole lot of experience, honestly, using a lot of the newer virtual reality headsets. Um, and I haven't ever used any headset that has ever used pass through. But one thing I'm noticing is that, like, the pass through, it's like they say it's really, really good, which I bet it is. But it's not like the ads. Like the UI elements are like the ads. So you being able to just do this and move it around, that's exactly like the ads. In the demonstration videos, but the actual feed that you see, you can still see the outside world, but it's like staticky and the colors are all off. So you could definitely tell you're looking through a camera feed. There's that, and they say about the pressure on your face. That does get like there is definitely pressure on your face. Like I'm not using this band, even though this band looks so much cooler. I'm not using it because it honestly, I think it gave me a headache. So I'm using the double strap so I can put some pressure on the top of my head. And that's pretty cool too. Another thing is that you can actually have this for multiple people. You can have it for multiple people. It won't be perfectly sized for them, but they could still use it, which I think is a really, I didn't know if that was a addition or not, but it's something that you could do. So pretty much my whole family also got to use it. And there's this one thing, there's like a dinosaur like experience that you could do, and that's really cool. Um, One of the features I haven't done is like project my MacBook Air onto it. Like you could take the screen of the MacBook Air and put it onto the blow up the screen and make it all big. I haven't done that, but I have used my app. So Neon Controller is on the Vision Pro because it's also it's an iPad app, and they port over most iPad apps. So that's cool. And also Steam Link. So Steam Link works as well. So I was able to just get the feed of my computer and blow it up somewhere. So I could be working on my computer on the bed, and then take my keyboard and then just, type on there. So that's really cool. I haven't gotten into any of the app development, and I'm realizing some of these app ideas, at least like I wanted to make an app where it's like a graffiti app where you can just walk around your city and it's like a public canvas and anybody could draw whatever they want wherever they want. And you just get like paint and then you could like, draw places, and then other people who walk in that same area can see your pieces. I was thinking of doing that, of course, later, but just given the fact, I'm still probably gonna do it eventually one day if I get some time, but just given the fact that it's not super comfortable to wear and you get so hot in it, maybe it's just because my room is really hot and because I don't feel good, but I don't know. Those people who are walking around with it, it's a little extra because it's not like it's comfortable and it's not like you could see everything. It's just like I'd rather not walk around. But yeah, it's cool. It, I'm I am yet to see the the productivity parts of it. The spatial sound is really cool. Um, right now, honestly, it seems like a creative demo device. It doesn't seem like a. It's honestly surprising that Apple even shipped this thing, to be honest, because it's like, it's really cool. It's really cool, but it's like, I don't know. It's like, I think what the other videos were saying is like, it's missing that core, like, killer feature, because it's just cool. It's just cool, and you're automatically at a disadvantage for doing things in VR because it's like you're tricking your brain in so many different ways that it makes some people nauseous and it just feels a little off. So it, like, right now I don't even see like the justification of switching over to that from your phone or to a regular desktop. It's just like only for the super person who has like 1,000 windows open. Just or to be completely immersed in whatever you're doing. Um, but yeah, I'm still learning Next.js. That's really the key, and yeah, that's my main focus. So I'm not gonna be able to play it with around with this too much, like learning how to create 3D objects and stuff and do cool things. So not yet, but I will eventually in the future. But yeah, that's really it. Sorry if this video again isn't super good. I have a headache, and I think it's because of that device, even though I wasn't on it for super long. But I think it's that device. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. This is 10X Generation, and I'll see you guys in the next video, because I make these videos every single day. See you guys tomorrow.